Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Two Stars Sudoku. On Sunday, yes, today it's actually Sunday. This newspaper is not on Sunday because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the newspaper of yesterday, Saturday, August the 13th, 2022. Yes, two puzzles are left, the 2 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. I've already solved this one, the letter Sudoku, but it's time now for the 2 stars Sudoku. 2 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 5013. Yes, 5013. 5013. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, and for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And now I cannot, well, I can. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 3. All right, let me drink something because it's hot today. Yes. All right. How about? We have a pair, the 4 and the 5, the 4 and the 5 in this row, the 4 and the 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. Let me see. 6, 2, no, I cannot. 6, 2, and 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in that box. So here can it be 6, there and there can it be 6. So 1 box left in this column for the 6 should be here. Alright. 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. Okay. Let me think. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. We have a pair in this big square. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row, third row, 4 and a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Alright. Five missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this big square. No 5 in these three boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there in the first row. Here or there. We see here another 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 it should be here. Alright. Let's wait. Wow. Come on. Seven. I'm thinking. 182. Yeah. Come on. It's taking too long. 7. 1. 1. 9. Well. Come on. What is the next step? 2. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. 2. Can it be a 2? So 2. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. Overlook the 9s. Okay, 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 9. 7, 1, 5. 7, 1, 5. 1, 7. 172. 172. 2, 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 6, 6. 9, 9, 6, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the first column. So no 7 and 9 in these two boxes. The 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9 in this big square. Let me mark those 7 and 9. Here we have 4 and a 5. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 and the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 and the 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the last column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Then 7, 1. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Cannot continue with 5. 1 and the 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 7 and the 9. Now we have a 7 here in the third column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4 and the 9. Now we have a 9 here in the third column. This cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4 and a 5. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 8 and a 5. Now we have a 5 here in the third column. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Almost finished. Almost finished. Wait. Can I count the 6s then? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. How about the 5 then? And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 8. Alright, and then we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2, 2. One box left in the middle column for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers. In this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right, 1 box left in this big square for the letter, for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Then 2 missing. 1 box left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next, so next column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 Stars Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.